Dear student, up to yesterday we learned first chapter similarity in our mathematics part second. Now today we start a next chapter, that is Pythagoras Theorem. We know what is Pythagoras Theorem. In 8th standard we learn the Pythagoras Theorem. What is this? We know there is a right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degree, then it is called a right angle triangle. I take here triangle ABC. In that angle B is 90 degree. I write the length of every side by using small letters. The length of AB is C, length of BC is equal to A, and length of AC is equal to B. AC is the hypotenuse, AB and BC making right angles. So the theorem is that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. म्हणजेच हायपोटेन्यूसचा स्क्वेअर हा इतर दोन बाजूंच्या स्क्वेअरच्या सम इतका येतो. In triangle ABC, length AC square is equal to length AB square plus length BC square, or AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and in short, by using length, B square is equal to C square plus A square, or B square is equal to A square plus C square. This is one of the formulas we say. Now the next topic is Pythagorean triplets. What is Pythagorean triplets? In right angle triangle there are three sides, and these three sides, one is greater than other twos, means hypotenuse is always a greater side, remaining two sides are less than hypotenuse. So triplets mean the square of hypotenuse is equal to square of the sum of remaining two sides, or sum of the square of the remaining two sides. Here we take an example, 11, 60 and 61. These are the lengths of that right angle triangle. Can it is a Pythagoras or Pythagorean triplet or not? Look carefully. Here a large side is 61. So this is hypotenuse. So we take first 61 square is equal to 3721. This is our first equation. Now the sum of squares of remaining two sides. So 11 square plus 60 square is equal to 121 plus 3600. 11 square is 121. 60 square is equal to 3600. So sum of these two is always 3721. This is our second equation. Look carefully. Equation first and 2 both are equal, means 61 square is equal to 11 square plus 60 square. By that we always says that 11, 60 and 61 is a Pythagorean triplet. In this way we learn about Pythagorean triplets. Now in our textbook there is given practice set 2, 1. First question is, identify with reason which of the following are Pythagorean triplets. First question is 3, 5 and 4. In these three numbers, which is greater? Always 5. So 5 square is 25, and the sum of the squares of remaining two numbers, that is 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 16. And what is this? Sum of this? Again 25. This is our second equation. So from equation first and second, we get 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 squares, means 3, 5, 4 is a Pythagorean triplet. In this way, we decide this is a Pythagorean triplet or not. Now, take another question, that is 4, 9 and 12. 12 is always a greater number. So 12 square is equal to 144, and remaining 2, 4 square plus 9 square. Square of 4 is 16, square of 9 is 81. Sum of these two is 97. This is our second equation, 144. This is our first equation. From equation first and 2, both are not same. 144 is not equal to 97. So 12 square is not equal to 4 square plus 9 square. By that information, 4, 9 and 12 is not a Pythagorean triplet. In this way, we decide which is a Pythagorean triplet or which is not a Pythagorean triplet. Now today we learn some tricks which are tricks to identify the Pythagorean triplet. First triplet is 3, 4, 5. Every time it is used when we design a ground, that time we always use this triplet. When we make a house, that time we use this triplet. So in that triplet, one is first side, another is second side, and third one is hypotenuse. So greater number is hypotenuse, remaining twos are first or second sides in this way. So I write first triplet 3, 4, 5. We multiply it by 2, 3, 4 and etc. Then we get another numbers. 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8, 5 twos are 10. So 6, 8 and 10. This is also a Pythagorean triplet. Again 3 threes are 9, 4 threes are 12 and 5 threes are 15. So 9, 12 and 15 is also a Pythagorean triplet. In this way, we decide so many triplets by that one triplet, that is 3, 4 and 5. Only to multiply it, then we get many more triplets. Now, second trick is by using odd numbers. Here these are all odd numbers, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. From that we calculate another two numbers and getting a triplets. How? Look here. First of all, we know 3, 4, 5 is always a triplet, but in that we take first number, that is 3. So we squaring this, 3 square means 9. 9 is divided into two parts, two numbers, but the difference between them is only 1. So 9 means 4 plus 5. So these two numbers 4 and 5. So we write here 3, 4 and 5 in this way. Look, another example. Another number is 5. So what is square of 5? 5 square is 25. 25 means the sum of these two is different between these 1, that is 12 and 13. So 5, 12 and 13 is another our triplet. बघा एकदा मराठीत सांगतो. काय होतं, 5चा स्क्वेअर 25 आला. 25 ची अशी फोड करा की ज्याची ॲडिशन 25 येईल आणि सबट्रॅक्शन 1 यायला पाहिजे. 25च्या निम्मे केलं तर 12.5. आपण काय करायचं, 12 आणि 1 13 झाली फोड. इथे 9चे काय केले, 4 आणि 4 8, एक जास्तीचा 4 आणि 5 9. निम्मे करायचे, निम्मेमध्ये ॲडजस्टमेंट करून घ्यायची. 49ची पण तशीच केली, 24 आणि 25 49. म्हणजे क्रमवार दोन संख्या घेतल्यात मिडलच्या, बाकी काहीच नाही. 81ची 40 आणि 41 81, 60ची 60 आणि 120ची 60 आणि 61 याप्रमाणे. So we take so many numbers 11, 13, 15 in this way and getting another triplets. This is our homework. Now a third trick is we take even number. From that even number we getting a triplet. We take always the first, that is 4, 3 and 5. Only to write numbers. In this example 4 is getting first, then 3 and 5 is getting after that. So why you write first 4? Because this is an even number. So 4 square is 16 divided by 2, that is 8. So we get two parts of that 8, but the condition is in between them there is a difference between these two is always 2. मराठीत सांगतो, असे नंबर मिळवा की ज्यांच्यामधला डिफरन्स 2 यायला पाहिजे आणि त्यांची ॲडिशन हा नंबर यायला पाहिजे. म्हणजे 4चा वर्ग 16, 16च्या निम्मे 8, 8ची अशी फोड करा की ज्यांच्यामधला डिफरन्स 2 असायला पाहिजे. मग आपण एकदा 5 आणि एकदा 3 घेतला, भागिले 2 करून 4 तर मधली संख्या येते. मग 4च्या आधीच आहे 1 3 आणि 4च्या नंतरचा 1 5, असे ते नंबर घेतलेत. म्हणजे आपल्याला 3 आणि 5 पुन्हा 2 नंबर मिळाले. पहिला 4 होता, मग 4 3 5 हे आपलं triplet मिळालं. Now next, at that time we take a 6. 6 is even number, so we squaring this, we get 36 divided by 2, then we get 18. So the two number is 10 plus 8, that is 18, and difference is 2. So the triplet is 6, 8 and 10. In this way you got 8, 15, 17, 10, 24, 26 and so many. Therefore we got a lot of triplets by using that trick. These are very easy trick. In your textbook he gives 3 numbers in this way. When A, B, C are natural numbers, but the condition is A is greater than B. लक्षात ठेवा, ए बी सी हे कुठलेही नॅचरल नंबर्स असेल म्हणजे त्यात झिरो यायला नको, फ्रॅक्शन घेऊ नका, आणि ए हा बी पेक्षा मोठा असेल अशा कंडिशनमध्ये ते नंबर घ्यायचे. त्यावेळेस हे 3 नंबर्स म्हणजेच आपले ट्रिपलेट. फर्स्ट वन ए स्क्वेअर प्लस बी स्क्वेअर, सेकंड वन ए स्क्वेअर मायनस बी स्क्वेअर, and third one twice AB or 2AB. This is our form of Pythagorean triplet. एक साचा दिला आहे तुम्हाला, आता याच्यात ए आणि बी च्या किमती टाका, तुम्हाला पाहिजे तेवढे ट्रिपलेट्स मिळतील. हे एक चांगली ट्रिक आहे. सपोज I take here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3, then first number is a square plus b square. So here a square plus b square, put this value, then we get a 25. Then take a square minus b square, putting these values, then we get a number 7. And last one twice ab. So put this value, we get 24. Means our triplet is 7, 24 and 25. लिहिताना चढत्या क्रमाने लिहिलं म्हणजे शेवटचा हायपोटेनियस असेल असं लक्षात घेऊन जातं. तर या पद्धतीने आपण असे विविध ट्रिपलेट्स मिळवू शकतो. आज आपण पायथागोरस थेरम म्हणजे काय, पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट म्हणजे काय, ट्रिपलेटच्या ट्रिक आणि ट्रिपलेट कसे ओळखायचे या सगळ्या गोष्टी व्यवस्थित समजून घेतल्यात. धन्यवाद.